Did you ever have the feeling that you ought to go? Did you ever have the feeling that you ought to stay? Well, I know a man who's gonna have the last say. Who else but the weatherman?
And here's the latest weather report.
Hi everyone, welcome to Hardcore Weather. It is Wednesday afternoon, August 5th, and we have some thunderstorms out and about. Take a look at this, just some video that I shot from my front yard, looking at some of the ominous looking clouds out there as they're rolling on in. Right now, as I'm taping this at almost 2 o'clock, nothing has been severe. You see some modest clouds there and some just nice dark looking skies. There have been scattered showers and a few thunderstorms rumbling through the metro. There's the satellite picture showing the clouds right through central portions of the state of Oklahoma, and it's right along the frontal boundary. There's the 1 o'clock weather map, and it may be hard to pick out. Let's kind of zoom in a little closer here on the state of Oklahoma. You see a weak cool front that is dividing north winds from south winds, and it's right along that we could see some of these thunderstorms. Some could be severe, as you see that slight risk running through much of Oklahoma today. There's the 500 millibar flow. Ridge is still the axis of it just to our west, and with time it's going to be building through us and eventually to our east. Let's look at the NAM model, actually a kind of a WRF version of it. The WRF, this is valid later tonight, shows, this evening rather, shows scattered showers and thunderstorms as they are breaking out right now. By 1 a.m. tomorrow morning, still some scattered showers and thunderstorms around. I don't think the coverage is going to be tremendous, but some areas will get a cooling thunderstorm. There's Thursday morning, not much happening in the state. By Thursday evening, 7 o'clock, you see a chance for a few thunderstorms, especially northern and eastern Oklahoma, and that's Friday afternoon that we see nothing happening. So Friday looks like it'll be a dry day. Let's look at the GFS, focusing mainly on the 500 millibar flow, and by, let's see, that is Thursday morning, so tomorrow morning, the ridge almost right on top of us, so I look for heat to continue tomorrow. The ridge covers much of the southern and southeastern United States. Now we're out to Saturday morning, and the axis now is actually over the southeast. Here's Sunday morning, and we're kind of in a southwesterly flow. That's still a pretty warm pattern for us. We're out to Monday morning at that point. Now Tuesday morning, the ridge begins to break down a little bit. May not see quite as many 100s next week, but I suspect that the humidity levels will be quite high. That's next Wednesday. So that's kind of the outlook for today. This is the boundary in the area. Will give us a few thunderstorms this afternoon into this evening. I think things will settle down. Could see another couple of storms, especially eastern Oklahoma, tomorrow afternoon. Generally, when you're not under a thunderstorm, the heat will continue. 100s the next couple of days. May not make it today with the storms around, but generally look for hot weather to last into next week, maybe mid to upper 90s next week. With a lot of humidity, so heat index values will probably still be up above 100. I am off today, taking a couple of days of vacation, so Sarah Libby will be keeping an eye on things. Rusty McCraney and Andy Wallace will be helping out as needed with the thunderstorms, so make sure you stay tuned to Eyewitness News 5. Check them out at 5, 6, and 10 p.m. and keep tabs on the blog as well. Have a great day, everyone. Take care.